Hello friends, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, UP, Haryana, MP and any another state, then it is most important exam point of view, so you can prepare it without wasting of time. So let's start. Question number 35. Describe meaning, need and factors affecting curriculum change. Yeah, question is, what do you mean by curriculum change? Explain its need and factors affecting curriculum change. Answer is, meaning of curriculum change. Change is an ongoing, almost unconscious process that involves reworking familiar elements into new relationship. While all changes do not lead to improvement, all improvement requires change. The ability to develop, test and implement change is essential for any individual, group or organization that wants to continuously improve. There are many kinds of change that will lead to improvement, but these specific changes are developed from a limited number of change concepts. Curriculum change means making the curriculum different in some way to give it a new position or direction. This often means alteration to its philosophy by a way of its aims and objectives, reviewing the content included, revising its methods, and rethinking its evolutionary procedure. Next point is process of curriculum change. May be assisted by permissiveness and support in accordance with a helpful improvement in curriculum. At the time of curriculum change, it must be necessary in consideration that resources of implementation of curriculum are available or not. Successful curriculum development requires better use of change knowledge. Failure is often a result of neglecting it. Policy makers, education leaders, and teachers need to know more about the drivers of successful curriculum change in school. Therefore, learning about educational change and its key features should become integral elements of any serious curriculum reform process. Need of curriculum change. We are looking ahead to the future and working to ensure that provincial curriculum continues to give all students the best possible start in life and meet the demands of living in the 21st century. To ensure students' success, we need our curriculum to be relevant, meaningful, and engaging for all students. Next point is, a curriculum is intended to provide children and young people with the knowledge and skills required to lead successful lives. Today, there is growing concern that the taught curriculum needs to be reconsidered and redesigned. What is curriculum for at this time? What? It comprises a challenging selection of subjects that help children and young people understand the world. It highlights a skill necessary for learning thought throughout life as well as for work, and for one is personal development and well-being. The need of curriculum change is caused by following reason. First, people improve with greatest enthusiasm when the detect the desire of the stimulators of improvement to improve himself. Next point is the direction of improvement should be determined cooperatively. People goals differ. However, if they are to work together effectively, they must determine cooperative the direction their effort are to take. Next point is point number 3. The direction of improvement should be determined cooperatively. People is goals differ. However, if they are work together effectively, they must determine cooperatively the direction their effort are to take. Point number 4. People improve through experiencing. The kind of teacher one is may be determined largely by the kinds of experiences he or she has held. Has had. School system should seek to provide their teachers with the best of in service education. Fifth point is stimulators of improvement should help keep channels of communication open. Psychological statistics easily gets between the sender and the receiver of a message. Next point is stimulators of improvement should use their power and influence with great care. Educational leaders have largesse to distribute in the form of position, salary, approval, knowledge, prestige, disciplinary control, and even affection. Seventh point is stimulators of improvement should operate on a limited number of fronts at a given time. Curriculum workers are learning that sweeping, comprehensive improvements rarely take place. Next point is the students themselves receive little or no experience in assuming responsibilities or in making choice, and everything is decided for them by the teacher or the administrator. Factors affecting curriculum change. First is explosion of knowledge. Humanity's stored of knowledge has shown an additive increase in the past, but in recent years the growth in knowledge has been exponential. Not only has knowledge accumulated, but also there have been new way of organization it and looking at it. Community. There are certain key questions that should be asked about school community relationship in seeking evidence of the needs for program modification. Next point is society. People conceive of the need. People will draw up plans to deal with the solution situation. People will carry out these plans. Fourth point is socio-political factors. Okay, no, we will discuss about it. As the state's policies change, they have an influence on the educational policies and schemes that they undertake. It also takes into consideration the social needs and demands and changing trend in the society with respect to various other issues and contemporary development. Next point is economic factors. Economic status of the people and the state play a role in the curriculum change. The aspirations of people, their demand and expectations from particular courses or curricular inclusion at various stage of education all depend on the economic status. Okay, so thank you friends, hope you will learn something new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.